Morpho-phonological derivation matrix lesson 6. Okay. Our base word is walk. Derived form will be walk, walker, walking as noun, walking as adjective, rewalk as verb, overwalk. This is verb to never translate. Only use this language. Okay. And now try to improvise, not in your mind, with your mouth. Any examples for this word? That's been first one is I will show you simple examples. Walk. I'd like to walk. I like to walk with my wife. I like to walk with you. Never ask yourself, is your examples correct from grammar side or is incorrect? You can use this grammar, but you can use, that means you must use what you have if you'd like to practice this language. Okay, next one is walker. I'm a good walker because I walk every day with my wife. Next one is walking as noun. And now, before you generate this example, how you can ask, if you'd like to know, is this one is noun, adjective, or verb? This is so simple. Noun, what? Car. Who? My wife. Adjective, which? I have one car. I have a red car. Which color is red car? That means the question which you can use in your mind is, again, together all, noun, what and who. For adjective, which. For verb, what I can do or what he does or what I do. This is good too. Okay, now go back to our words. Walking. Maybe I gave for you example. If yes, I will repeat this one. Walking as noun. How to generate this sentence? If this word is noun, the best question which you can use in your mind is what? Who? Who? Me. That means I. If this word is noun, you can use, this is a good walking. I am a good walker. I walk. I will walk today. This continues. Go ahead. Okay, next one is verb. Affix position is prefix. Affix type is prefix. Okay, rewalk. I'd like to rewalk because my walk was not the best the last weekend with my wife. If your example sentence is not the best from grammar side, I told you a few times where to use this word, how to use conjugation or everything. This is not a problem because first step is only to develop your broken English. A lot of people thinking that this is not so good. The best option is if you speak automatically correctly at first time when you begin to use this language, but this is not true. I hear this one. When you practice your bad English, your English will be bad because you learned bad English, and this one will be so hard to rewrite. This is another word. Rewrite in your mind this bad English to write. This is not true. This is bullshit. Okay, last one is affix position will be prefix, and affix type will be over. And this one will be verb too. Overwalk. How to generate one sentence for this verb? Overwalk. What does mean? I walk a lot of. Yesterday I overwalk with my wife. And I repeat for you third time because this is so important and I hear it from a lot of times this bullshit. If you practice your bad grammars and you speak with bad grammars, your English stays on the same level and you can't change this bad grammar to right grammar. But this is not true. If I'd like to practice how to generate or how to make sashimi, and I say for myself, I don't like to do it because I know my sashimi at first time when I begin to make it will be bad. And if someone tell me this is not so good idea, if you'd like to make this sashimi because your sashimi will be so bad, and better is if you can't do it at this moment until you don't practice it. But the question is only this one. How can I do this one better if I can't practice this? So maybe you understood what is stupidity behind this. You can't use bad English, bad grammar because your English will be staying on the same level. This is not true. Okay, that's all. Please go to the next lesson.